Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for your finances that have helped enhance our program here. But more even than finances, thank you for your continued partnership of having our students come over and see your facilities. That really helps to understand the full picture of the automotive industry. And we just couldn't do things without these kind of partnerships, but this is special. This is the third year. This is not just one and done. So to have an ongoing partnership, we want to thank you. Thank you for having your top staff along with us, and also to our students. We're very proud of them because these are how we have a career to work, right, ready to go. And the inspiration that you provide for us is also very heartfelt. And beyond just our automotive program, thank you for your work with the Education Foundation and your donation and to our district on another lens too. So we're very fortunate to have such an incredible local community partner that helps our kids in so many different ways. And when we say kids, these are actually young men. They're not even kids anymore. So we're very proud of them. And then most importantly, our instructor. Want to thank him for his inspiration. He's actually an alumni of this program. So when we get to have, that's like a trifecta. Great community partners, great students, and then an actual instructor that's been through the program and back to help the next group. So thank you to everybody. It's such a memorable day. Thank you.
Well, from all of us, from Mr. Gettel and all of the stores, from the Gettel Automotive Group, we're happy to be a partner of the school and for the support of the students in this program. The 21 dealerships that are in the Automotive Gettel Group, from Punta Gorda all the way through to Woodstock, Georgia. You know, we try to partner with our local communities for these types of programs because the value they create for our industry and the future for the market of the people that live in that, you know, for the careers that this can create for people. So we're just proud to be a partner for this and to donate this money, like you said, as the third year. And from all of us again, and Mr. Gettel, we say thank you for the partnership.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
First, I just want to say thank you to the Gettel Foundation for your partnership. Like Dr. Patton said, not just the financial support, but also bringing the industry to us and allowing our students to go out into the industry. It's invaluable for our students to be able to get out of the bubble that's been created here. That's wonderful, but to be able to see the actual industry. So being able to go and visit Gettel Toyota, BMW, it's a great opportunity for our students. In this particular class, we've got primarily freshmen. So this is their first opportunity to see this industry partnership, but we also have some of our seniors who are pouring back into those freshmen.
Yes, sir, yeah.
And as mentioned, Mr. Shiver, who is a former student of ours and now directing the program, it's just great to see how this partnership benefits year after year after year. We've been able to upgrade our facilities. So we have a shed because we're running out of storage. We have a nice, quiet air compressor that's not as loud as the previous one. Our students are gonna get to benefit from having electric doors as well as tools and different items within the shop that help them connect with the industry for years to come. So just thank you to the Gettel Foundation. Thank you, Dr. Patton, for being here. Thank you, Mr. Shiver, for leading. And students, thank you guys for all that you do because you're learning and you won't regret it. And this is a great opportunity. So thank you to everyone.
And also, we couldn't do any of this, any of our CTE programs, which are career technical education, without incredible leadership at our schools. So we certainly want to thank our principal, Mr. Bracewell. He's just fantastic. He's very inspiring. He goes out and helps continue and find new partnerships that benefit all of our kids.
Congresswoman Kat Kamak here, and I am so proud and so honored to be a part of this amazing donation today. Not just $25,000 here, but another 10 at an additional program. $35,000, an incredible investment, not just in today, but for tomorrow's future for our kids. Thank you so much to Gettel Automotive for their wonderful contribution to our community. You guys are the best. Appreciate it.
Thanks so much to the Gettel Automotive Group, both Toyota and BMW, for their continued support of Alachua County Public Schools, the Education Foundation, all of our students, teachers, and staff. We are so grateful for you and for your continued support.
I just want to thank the Gettel Foundation for the donations. It's really benefited our program. We're able to buy our new shop doors, make facility improvements, buy new tooling to stay on the top of the ever-changing automotive industry. And without them, it'd be a lot more difficult. This money is definitely going to help